Ew, nice. No. Ow, you fuck. Such a bitch. Bad. Dude, broke skin, you brat. Be nice. Why are you such cranky all this freaking time? Put your paw down, bastard. Put it down. Yeah, I'm gonna pet you. Cause you're a pet. I'm gonna pet you. That's what happens. Pets get pet. Is that nice? Am I torturing you? I'm gonna replace you with a doggy. That's right. Doggies won't do that. They'll go and attack. Doggies don't attack. You're a freaking nasty cat. Bad. Put your paw down. I'm gonna get you. I'm going to get you. But I love you. Love hurts. Life is so bad. You sleep all day. You lay on the couch. You eat. You don't do nothing but look pretty. And you attack. And you attack. Stop it. Love. Wow, you're a fresh, you're a nasty animal. You're a nasty beast. You're a nasty beast. Best. Be nice. Be nice. Be nice. Oops. Be a good girl. Ow, that hurt actually. You put my finger in your mouth. Must you attack me? Must you attack me? What have I ever done to you but feed you and take care of you and pet you and love you? So I'm not happy. What's the matter? Hey! Don't do it! Don't do it! Don't do it! You fashy. Hey! Don't do it! No. No. Be nice. Be nice or I'm gonna get a doggy to replace you. I'm gonna get a puppy to eat you. I will. Is that nice what you did to me? Alright. I'm petting the kitty. She's like, oh really? What'd she do to you? What'd she do to you? I'll kiss you. My kitty loves me.
Hey!
Is there a specific car you're looking at?
I'm scared.
Go back. I'm video recording.
So?
You probably noticed the hair. This is because of Parks.com. I've been checking car prices. And
No, pet her normal.
my confidence has just been coming out of me ever since.
Every year, we pick a new city to explore.
But thanks to Hotwire, this year we got to take an extra trip because they get us ridiculously low prices on really nice hotels and car rentals.
So we hit Boston in the spring. Even caught a game.
And with the money we saved, we took a trip to San Francisco.
You see, Hotwire checks the competition's rates every day, so they can guarantee their low prices.
Come out.
So where'd you go?
How about there?
Hi!
With the new flavor pack, the Solo from Pizza Hut.
Don't.
You say Solo
Ah!
like a footlong man.
Ah!
No, come out.
Look! No. She did that on purpose. You're such a horrible cat. Look what she did.
It's right. She knows what she wants.
Oh my god, now she knows how to open this.
She wants blood.
Your new vampire. Bad cat, stop.
Come out. She wants to see you. Look, she wants to see you. I'll help you. I'll help you. There she is. Do you see her, precious? I helped. Pet her. Pet her.
Going to the water park.
Pet her.
Now who I don't like.
Come on, you're wasting my film.
Ah! Oh, you know you could edit that video, all three of them that you took, into one?
On Facebook? I mean, YouTube?
Yeah.
YouTube? How?
I'll show you. Look how she looks so cute.
Yeah, that's hot. Oh, oh, she got you. She got you. What did I tell you about licking yourself? What did I tell you? Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah, that's hot. Oh, nice. Nice kitty. What's that? Ah, you bastard! Ow! Don't do that, you bird! Naughty fresh! You're so mean, you freaking nasty thing. You nasty. You nasty. I'm gonna tell. That's it. I'm gonna grab your footy. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Yes, I am. That's it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I got it. I got the 40. What? No one's killing you, psycho. You psycho cat. What? Give up.
You're gonna kill me! How?
Play with her.
I'm scared.
Play with her. She wants you to pet her.
No, she doesn't. She's mad at me.
Pet her.
Distract her.
Pet her.
Stop staring at me. Ah. Distract her.
Pet the cat.
I hate when you do that. That way. Go that way.
I can't even see you because you're too far away.
Because I'm scared.
Pet the cat.
I can't. She's staring at me funny. Is today Thursday?
Yeah, pet the cat. Get her. Get it, precious.
Thank you. Oh, isn't this? Look, she looks like one of those really cute cats with the ears like that. Oh, you love me.
Get her.
So your tail is wagging.
Get her. Get the kitty.
You nice. You nice at me.
Get her.
You're not mean to me because
Get
you
her.
love me.
Get the child.
She won't get me because she loves me.
She don't love you.
Love me. Love,
Pet her.
love, love.
Oh, what happened?
Love me. Love hurts. Do, do, do. Love hurts. Do, 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 do. No. Go cute. Ah!
Pet her.
Not again. Look. Candace's gonna have a talk with you. Don't be mean to her for no reason, okay? There has to be a reason you're being mean to her. Don't be mean to for no reason.
Give her a kiss.
I can't. Oh, security! she's like having a hissy fit. I can't look at her, that's why I'm like really scared.
Oh, you love me. Can you see her?
No, I see you.
You love me. Are you gonna bite me? Are you gonna bite me? What happened? Can you see both of us?
No, it's on you.
Can you see her? I want to give you a kissy on camera.
She was so mad.
Give me a kiss. Come on.
Oh my god.
Kiss me on camera.
What?
She tried to kill me. What? What Destiny do to you?
Hey, me?
Don't be fresh. You're a bad girl. Don't be fresh. Hey! You're nasty. Yeah.
Evil one, I don't know what it is.
Yeah, yeah, beautiful. Yeah, you are. I'm gonna kiss you.
Something like that. Yeah, yeah.